You can make better pork carnitas at home and it's super easy. First thing you're going to need is a big hunk of bone-in pork. I'm using Boston booty meat. I used the other half to make chorizo sausage, but this is 4 pounds 12 ounces of pork shoulder. Now here I have some dried guajillo and California chilies. Go ahead and cut off the tops, crush up some fresh garlic and remove the peels. Then add fresh cilantro, add your garlic, tomato paste, fresh lime juice, water, olive oil, cumin, coriander, lime pepper, coarse salt. Blend that in a powerful blender until you have a smooth pourable paste. You might need to add a little bit of more water and that's totally fine. Once it looks something like this, pour that over your pork butt and really give that booty a nice massage. Once everything is nice and covered, slide that into your refrigerator and let that marinate for 10 to 24 hours. 10 hours later and it's time to cook. So most newer pressure cookers have a sear saute mode, so I turned my Ninja on high saute mode, added a few tablespoons of EVOO. Then you want to sear that pork on all sides, 1 to 2 minutes or until you pick up some nice color. Go ahead and deglaze with 2 cups of low sodium chicken stock, add a huge pinch of coarse salt, then adjust your pressure cooker to its high setting and we're going to let that cook for 1 hour and 45 minutes. You can tell it's done when you go to pick up the bone and the meat slides right off with zero effort. Now to a medium high heat saute pan, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, sliced yellow onion, sliced poblano peppers, a pinch of salt, a pinch of lime pepper. Cook until they have just begun to soften, then dip a tortilla into that delicious booty juice. Slide the onions and peppers aside, then add your tortilla and slightly raise the heat. Cook that tortilla for 2 minutes, then give it a flip, cook for 2 more minutes, then add some of those delicious peppers and onions, some juicy tender pork booty, some of that booty juice, then transfer that to a serving plate and you want to finish with freshly minced cilantro and fresh lime juice, I'm telling you. And just like that, you have some incredibly flavorful, juicy, and tender pork tacos.